The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, good morning. How are you this morning? On this Tuesday morning, it is the 24th day of May, a comfortable 61 degrees out here this morning. And yeah, you can hear the birds singing, and I still see that big bright moon right there. Comfortable is a word I'm not going to be using much in the next several weeks and months, as you know. We're in an interesting pattern. We are easing slowly into summertime, slowly into the heat, slowly into the humidity, slowly into those afternoon spotty rain chances. We're going to update you on the weekend forecast for here and the Gulf Coast beaches, and a look ahead into next week and something tropical. Wait a minute, hurricane season doesn't start for another week. Could there be something tropical off the southeastern coast over the weekend? Here's your weather briefing.
With that storm system off the middle Atlantic coast and the one in the plain states causing severe weather, we're in a good place. High-pressure ridge keeping us protected from storm systems out to the west of us. Another very active day in portions of the plain states today where some of the storms could become severe. In fact, the Storm Prediction Center says some storms could produce tornadoes, especially, let's say, from Kansas and Oklahoma into Texas today, where they had tornadoes yesterday. For today, for us, mostly sunny. Not quite as humid as it's going to be, but high temperature up to about 89. Still tolerable in the humidity. Tonight's low 64, north winds 5 to 10 miles per hour. Increasing humidity tomorrow with a high temperature up to about 90. And the winds fairly light. More humidity on Thursday. And rain chances under 20% for the next few days until perhaps Friday. I think the rain chances start to pick up around 20%. What is this tropical feature off the southeastern coast that we're going to be watching Friday into Saturday, maybe moving towards South Carolina? It's early in the season, of course. In fact, the season doesn't even start until June 1st, so we're a few days away from that. Tropical rains over South Carolina, maybe a stray shower for us over the holiday weekend. Here and there, the rain chance is running about 20% through Memorial Day, but I don't think it's going to be a big deal. So a high temperature around 90 tomorrow with mostly sunny skies. Rain chances under 20% Thursday, high around 91, near 90 Friday. And then the rain chances start to pick up over the weekend, Saturday, Sunday, at 20%, with highs teetering around the 90-degree mark, and that continues into Monday as well. We'll keep the rain chances at 20%, just like a regular summer day, and mention that you could get rained on, but the chances are that most people will stay dry. And for the Jubilee Pops concert, downtown Montgomery, a Montgomery tradition, Friday, 7 o'clock, a chance of a stray shower, but otherwise temperatures around 86 degrees, pretty typical. Beach forecast for the beaches from Gulf Shores to Panama City. A stray shower not out of the question. Temperatures a little bit cooler down at the coast because of the cooler Gulf water at 78. High 83 Friday and Saturday, 86 on Sunday. It should be a pretty good beach weekend coming up. European, indicating the very hot temperatures and the warmer nights ahead, and a few showers over the holiday weekend from time to time, but no big deal. Looking like a very, very typical summertime forecast as we ease in that direction. And the European, the GFS over 16 days shows some very warm days and very warm nights ahead, and no changes from day to day. Notice how the pattern just stays kind of in a straight line as we go into the early part of June.
So we are enjoying our last little bits of comfort as we ease into that more humid zone, which is part of our life here in the Deep South, and heat and humidity of the Memorial Day weekend is ahead. I hope you have a great day today. It's going to be a nice weather day, and your next complete video will be online by tomorrow morning at 4:45. I'll be live, video and audio, as I am every Monday through Friday morning from the Blue Water Weather Center. And I hope you check that out at 11 o'clock this morning. That's at RichThomasWeatherNetwork.com. I'll see you on the radio this morning, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you.
Rich Thomas Weather.